Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your device meets basics, Android 5, 0 or newer and enough free storage. Next, enable installing unknown apps for the browser or file manager so APKs can install. This is temporary and required to sideload. Once done, download the correct Play Store APK and matching Google Play Services version for your device architecture. Make sure file names match versions and that you've allowed downloads over mobile data if needed. This step prepares your device for the install sequence that follows. Now perform the installs in order. Install Google Services Framework first, then Google Play Services, and finally the Play Store APK. You must install the versions that match your device architecture and Android API level. Mismatches cause crashes. As you install, grant runtime permissions when prompted and watch for install errors. If an install fails, reboot and retry the exact sequence. Sometimes clearing the package installer cache helps. Once each package finishes, pause briefly to let the system register the service before finish by launching the Play Store and signing in with your Google account. Allow sync and automatic updates so apps update in background. If the store won't open or sync, go to Settings Apps Google Play Store and Google Play Services, then clear cache and data and reboot. Make sure both apps are enabled and not restricted by battery or data saver. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still see errors, uninstall the problematic APK versions and reinstall the correct architecture matching builds. Then reboot before signing in again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.